Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. So we are done with the Redmi Watch 5 Lite when it comes to the design, specs, and UI unboxing. On this video, we are going to focus more on the offered menus and features of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite smartwatch. And on our first video, okay, we praise the design. Okay, we like the design of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. It is much better looking compared to the Redmi Watch 5 Active smartwatch. So before we begin with the menus and features, again, let's take a look at the design of this wearable. So it is more premium looking, and it has a beautiful screen display, sharp AMOLED screen with high screen resolution for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. We'll see on the menus and features if there are some additional features that is not available on the Redmi Watch 5 Active. So if you are interested to see the offered menus or the offered features for the Redmi Watch 5 Lite, watch this video, and again, like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and explore the menus and features of the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Okay, you have here on top, we have the notifications. On the bottom part, we have the different menus here, different settings for your wearable. On the left side, we have the different cards. Okay, the same with the right side. Okay, to access the main menu, just press the power button. Let's see if we can change this. We have the menu options here, so we can change to the list, and we can see the name of each menu. Okay, so we'll have the list. The same with the Watch 5 Active, there's only two menu options or menu style. Press it, we have here the workouts. Based on the box here, we have 150 plus workout modes. So we have here the freestyle, hiking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, and we have here the total number of sports functions. Okay, so there's a lot of sports functions on the training section here, or training category, followed by the ball sports setting. Okay, then we do have here history. We have running stats. Okay, daily stats for this one. So it shows you the calorie, steps, and the, I think this is the time or goal. What's this? Calories, steps, and we have the vitality score, blood oxygen, we have the sleep monitoring, we have the stress training or stress exercise or measurement. Okay, we have the sleep monitoring, breathing guide. So this is the exercise for breathing. We have weather, calendar, events, tasks. So the same with the Watch 5 Active. We have the Bluetooth call here, music control function, remote music control. Do have remote photo control for camera, focus, stopwatch, timer. We also have here a world clock, flashlight, and settings. Watch faces, sound and vibration, display, do not disturb mode, night mode. We also have here the auto detect for sports, sound and vibration. We also have it here, so you can change. You can also change the intensity of the vibration. Auto detect, layout, only two options. We have the password, battery, we have the system time, or the system option. This includes the reboot, power off, connect a new phone, or reset. And we have here the details about the smartwatch. So this is the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. So workouts again. Here are the menus and features on the smartwatch. Events, tasks, favorite contacts, music control, focus stopwatch. We have a world clock. You can set it on the support app. Also have here a flashlight. Can we change the intensity? Nope. Okay, so this one is somewhat like an SOS blinking flashlight here. Watch faces, change. You only have 3 here. You can edit each steps and calories. Got it. To save changes, tap on OK. Okay, so different style. This one, different color. How about this? Okay, seems like we have at least 3 options. Tap on it to change. Okay, so that's it for the offered menus and features of the smartwatch. For the GPS, I think we have it here on the outdoor running. Okay, then we have here GNSS, as you can see. Okay, so that's it for the menus and features for our Redmi Watch 5 Lite Smartwatch. A much better looking Watch 5 wearable. Okay, so if you are interested, okay, about the smartwatch, watch the previous video, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out the description as well as the links on our description about the Redmi Watch 5 Lite. Again, support our channel by subscribing, liking this video, or sharing it to other social media pages. Okay, bye.